Hi, I'm Grace. Paul and I love traveling North America full-time in a motorhome and exploring off-road trails. This is a photo overview of 6 of the trails we have taken in Southern California and southwestern Arizona. Come explore with us. Canyon Sin Nombre is located in the Anza-Borrego Desert State Park in California and follows a scenic route through the canyon and along the old Butterfield stage route. The canyon trails had interesting mud formations, making every turn on the trail unique. Laguna mountain ridge in Arizona is 7 miles of ridgeline driving with views of an unusual landscape. I was not fond of the narrow trail with drop-offs on both sides and was glad we did not meet anyone coming from the other direction because there was no room to pass. There were many blind hills with corners just over the top, so we had to inch over until one of us could see the trail through our side window. Queen Canyon is within the Kolka National Wildlife Refuge between Quartzsite and Yuma, Arizona. The drive through the canyon is scenic with interesting rock formations. One thing we joked about while going through the canyon was that it had many spots good for an old western show ambush. We were waiting for the bad guys to come riding out from behind a rock. The face of one rock looked like a face, and upon closer inspection we discovered caves forming the eyes and mouth. A perfect bad guy hangout. Mud Caves Trail in the Anza-Borrego Desert State Park, California is accessed off the Canyon Sin Nombre Trail. The mud and sandstone have created interesting formations on the canyon walls. I got out of the Jeep and pushed on a canyon wall. I was surprised I could push it in a bit, and it felt just like hard-packed sand. The mountain views at the end of the canyon area were beautiful. Terra Wash in the Anza-Borrego Desert State Park, California is one of my favorites because of the unusual landscape, railroad history, and a large number of jackrabbits. What engineers called the Impossible Railroad was built between San Diego and Arizona from 1906 to November 1919. It was called the Impossible Railroad because of the difficult terrain where it would be built. One 11-mile section of the railroad through the Carrizo Gorge has 17 tunnels and 14 wood trestles. The trail crosses the railroad near the old water tower. We were amazed by the unusual mountains that looked like piles of big boulders. As we exited the mountain area, there were several unusual-looking trees that were tipped in one direction as a result of water flowing around them in the wash. The trail exits through a field of large power windmills. Superstition Mountain in California is a large sand mountain that the trail circles. The trail also borders a live military bombing area. You have to make sure you stay on the trail and do not cross into the military zone. The trail crosses numerous washes where you dip down into the riverbed and then back up on the other side. In other areas you have to climb over or drive around sand dunes. The trail has a rocky section before you round the end of the mountain. That completes our overview of Southern California and Southwest Arizona trails. Many thanks to the Fun Treks off-road books that guide us on our trail adventures. A big thank you from Paul and I for watching our photo overview. We hope you enjoyed the show and check out our videos of the trails. Give us a thumbs up and leave us your comments below. Check back often on our YouTube channel, Rolling Through North America Travel with Us, for new videos, and please subscribe.